Explanation. Directions. Suppose if you and your friend stand facing each other, the things on your right side will be on his left side. Like that, things on your left side will come to his right side. The things in front of you will be on his back side, and the things on his front side will be on your back side. So to avoid these different answers, confusion, the directions are used. Now, how to find the directions? You see the sun rises and sets every day. This is a natural cycle. So, the sun is used to determine the directions. That means the sunrise direction is the east and the sunset direction is the west. That means east and west directions are opposite to each other. If we stand facing east, the west is behind us. At that time, the north is to our left and the south is to our right. East-west, north-south are the four main directions. Maps. The map is drawn with the help of these directions. We live in houses built on land. The land is spread far and wide. A vast section of land on the earth is called a continent. Like continents, salt water too occupies the surface of the earth. This part is called ocean. The earth is also called the world. There are too many countries on the earth. It includes India. India is made up of many states. We live in Maharashtra. It is made up of many districts, cities. The map is prepared using all these things. Symbols, pictures, signs, and different shades of colors are used to present the information in a map. The list which includes all these things is known as the index. It helps us to understand the map. Several villages, settlements, and cities form a taluka. A district is composed of several talukas. Now you can try to understand the district, Maharashtra state, and India, and read the map with the help of index and directions. The West Bengal state is at the east of India, whereas Gujarat and Maharashtra are at the west. At the north, Himalaya guards our country. At the south, there is a Hindi Mahasagar. Please remember and keep in mind the map of our country.